The mystery of the missing money, pending transactions with Capital One. Ever swipe your Capital One card and see a mysterious pending notification instead of the usual purchase confirmation? You're not alone. Pending transactions can be confusing, especially when they hold your hard-earned cash hostage for seemingly random amounts of time. So, how long exactly does Capital One hold a pending transaction? Buckle up, because the answer, like most things in finance, isn't as simple as a one-size-fits-all response. But fear not, fellow Capital One warriors. This video will crack the code of pending transactions, leaving you feeling informed and in control of your finances. The truth behind pending transactions. First things first, let's understand what a pending transaction actually is. Imagine you're at your favorite coffee shop, armed with your Capital One card. You grab a latte, the barista swipes your card, and pending. What's happening? This pending status is essentially a temporary hold placed on your account. It's Capital One's way of double-checking that you have the funds available and that the transaction is legitimate. Think of it as a security measure, making sure your card isn't being used fraudulently. The not-so-secret time frame. All right, enough suspense. Here's the million-dollar question: how long does this hold typically last? Capital One states that pending transactions can take up to 5 business days to post to your account. That means the hold could disappear in as soon as 24 hours, excluding weekends and holidays, or it might linger for a whole work week. But wait, there's more. This time frame can be influenced by a few sneaky culprits. The merchant, some businesses, particularly hotels or car rentals, might request a larger authorization amount than the final purchase price. This inflated amount can take longer to settle. The payment network, the behind-the-scenes magic of processing your transaction, can vary depending on the network used, like Visa or MasterCard. Each network has its own processing timelines that can affect the hold duration. The transaction type, deposits and credit card purchases generally follow different time frames. Deposits, especially checks, might take a few extra days to clear completely. Pro tips for pending transaction peace of mind. Feeling a little frustrated by the pending transaction limbo? Here are some tips to navigate this financial gray area. Keep an eye on your account. Regularly checking your online banking or mobile app can help you stay informed about pending transactions and their estimated posting dates. Plan ahead, especially for travel. If you're anticipating a large hold due to a hotel reservation or car rental, factor that temporary reduction in available funds into your budgeting. Contact Capital One, if necessary, if a pending transaction seems stuck in limbo for an unusually long time, beyond the 5 business day window. Don't hesitate to contact Capital One's customer service for clarification. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. By understanding pending transactions and the factors that influence them, you can navigate your Capital One account with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.